Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about that how we can install the MobaXterm and how we can use it. So first of all, come to your browser and search for MobaXterm download. And on the top, you will find the link. Simply just click on it. And here, you will get the free version. Simply just go and click on this download now button. And here you will find two versions. One is the portable and the other one is the installer edition. Simply just click on this installer edition and you can see the download process has started. It is of 14.6 MB. Okay, so let's just wait for 5 seconds. So here we are having our zip file. Simply just unzip it. So extract all it. Okay, so you can see the MobaXterm installer is present here. Simply just double click on it. Next, accept the agreement. Next, next, install. Done. It is done now. Simply just click on this finish button. That's it. Now, click on the Windows and search for MobaXterm. You can get the app here, right? Simply just click on it and open the app. Fine. It is asking for some permission. Just allow it. Great. Now, this is the interface of your MobaXterm. Now, what it is used to run multiple terminals at a time, right? So we can run the CentOS, we can run the Ubuntu on the same application with different terminal at the same platform. So for that, you need to click on the session. You will find the SSH button here. Simply just click on it. Now, remote host, it is asking for the IP address basically. So let me just do one thing. Let me just open the Ubuntu for you. Enter the password. And when you will go to the terminal basically, right? When you will go to the terminal on the Ubuntu and search for the IP addr, right? You will find this result and here you will get the IP address, right? So simply just mention this particular IP address here. So that is 192.168.1.9. Fine. And mention the username also. So username is Piyush, right? And after that, just click on the OK button and accept. Done. Now it is asking for the password here, right? Mention the password, press enter. It is asking that do you want to save the password? No, I don't want to save. So simply just click on no and you can see. Now you can simply access your Linux Ubuntu with this particular terminal using MobaXterm, right? Now here you can run it like ls. If you do the pwd, yes, it is working. So it is working very fine. Now let's try the same for the CentOS also. Let's do that. So this is our CentOS, right? Okay. Now what I will do is that inside our CentOS, I will open the terminal and do the exact same, right? Here I'll write if config and press enter. Now here you can get the IP address. Fine. So it is 192.168.1.8. Fine. Now let's come to our MobaXterm. And here again, since now you are going to work on the CentOS also, right? So just a second. Just click on this session. And here click again on the SSH. Mention the host, that is 192.168.1.8. Mention the username, that is Piyush. Press enter. accept it. It will ask for the password. Mention the password. Say yes or no. I'll say no, right? So here, now you are inside your CentOS terminal also. So now here you can see this one was your Linux Ubuntu and this is for your Linux CentOS. So you are running the terminal of two different Linux server, right, on a single app, that is your MOBA, right? MobaXterm. Now here if you want to run it, you can run, yeah. It will work very fine. Yeah. So this is what MobaXterm is, and this is why we use it. It's all on you that whether you want to use it or not, but this is a very good software which is used mainly by the cloud engineers, right? So I hope you understood the lecture. You understood that how we install and how we set up the MobaXterm, right? So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.